Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing video, and I am so excited for this because I've literally been waiting for this bad boy for like 2 to 3 weeks. It's finally here. I just came back from the mall, just picked it up, and it is, ta-da! The new MacBook Pro. Well, it's not the new one. It's actually the MacBook Pro 13-inch without the touch bar. I got this in the silver color with 256 gigabytes and a memory RAM of 16 gigabytes. So I just got it, literally just came back from the mall, and I'm gonna open this bad boy with you guys, show you what's in here, and yeah, we're just gonna set everything up together, and you guys are gonna walk with me through this process. We're gonna hold hands together, and if anything goes wrong, I'm gonna blame you guys, just kidding. Also joining us for this unboxing video is my cutesy pie. I actually haven't named it yet. I got it recently, and yeah, if you guys have any name suggestions for my little stuffed toy buddy here who accompanies me at night, just put them in the comments section below, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here is the MacBook. It is still in the box that it came in. I just took the wrapper off, and so I'm gonna go ahead and take the lid off. Oh God, I'm struggling. Alright, so there we go. And oh my God, here it is. I'm gonna sleep with it at night. I'm gonna cuddle with it at night. Alright guys, this is my new boyfriend. This is literally the thing that I'll be spending the rest of my life with, or most of my time with. So let us just take this brief moment to meet each other and just appreciate each other. And I hope that, you know, it doesn't break on me, doesn't just hang up on me, doesn't give me viruses. Please don't. So yeah, now that we've had a little moment, let's go ahead. And all right, so this is the laptop. I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, so the next thing so this is the box after I take the laptop out. And the next thing that's in here is the charging cord. And this is the adapter. So I just took the charger out, and I don't know if there's anything else left in here. I feel like there should be like a manual or something, but oh God, it's not coming out. Oh. Okay guys, I am giving up. I'm officially giving up. I do not know if there's, honestly, I don't know if there's anything else in here. It doesn't look like, but like there should be a manual or something. Don't you agree? Anyway, I guess that's it. So okay, so I just switched positions so you guys can see when I open this thing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and this wrapper. All right, cool. Oh my God, it's on. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for this to load. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you actually open it up and everything. Okay, so the first thing that popped up once the laptop was loaded was the language option. So I'm gonna go ahead and select English because that's the language that I speak, and we're gonna go ahead. Takes forever to load. I'm just gonna wait. So anyway, the next thing that it has asked me is to choose my location, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose Canada, as that is where I am. But I wonder what happens if I choose like another country, like what if I'm from the Maldives or something? And it wants my keyboard. Should I choose US or Canadian English? I think Canadian English, yeah. Actually, no, I'm gonna do US. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select my Wi-Fi network, and it just asked me for the password, so I'll be right back, guys, because I don't fucking remember that shit. All right, so I just entered my Wi-Fi password, and let's hope that I entered it right. So the next thing that pops up is the data and privacy icon. I'm just gonna click continue. Then it asks about transferring information to this Mac. So I'm just gonna say don't transfer any information now because I'm just gonna do this later myself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with my ID. And then it sent me a verification code to my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter that. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, even though I haven't read them. I'm going to create a new password. And we are all set up, guys. So the next thing it asks you is if you want to store all your files onto iCloud, and I'm gonna say yes, just because if anything happens, I do have a backup in iCloud. So with that, I'm gonna hit continue. And then it's asking me about file vault disk encryption. No clue what that is, but it says it secures your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. Sounds like protection, and protection's always good, so I'm just gonna say continue. Next thing, it's asking me to choose my look. There's the option of light and dark, and I'm just gonna go with light. Alright guys, so finally I have my new boyfriend ready to go on adventures with me. I am going to just set it up, tweak it a little, and show it how it should behave, and we're gonna have a beautiful relationship, and I'm so excited and I can't wait. So since I knew that my MacBook Pro was coming in, I also went ahead and ordered my laptop sleeve and case from Amazon, and I'll also be showing you guys the adapter for the USB ports and SD card that I use with the MacBook Pro, as well as the external hard drive. So for the adapter, I use one from this company called Ping. So this is what it looks like. And over here on the side, it has 3 USB ports. Then on this side, it has the SD card reader. And then there's these 2 other slots, which I'm not sure what they're for. And then we also have an HDMI cable over here. And this is where you plug it into the laptop. Then the external hard drive that I use is from this company called Seagate, and I have the 2 terabyte one, and this is what it looks like. And honestly, this is such a lifesaver. I store all my photos, all my videos in here. Like, I don't even know what life would be without it. If I were to lose it, I'd literally be like a naked person on the street. So don't ever try to steal this from me because it will be the demise of me. For the sleeve, I ended up getting this pink one from this company called Mosiso, and I love the pink color. It has this front pocket over here where you can put in your charger and anything else, and then this is where the laptop goes, and I love the interior of it. It's kind of like this bubbly foam material, and I feel like it's good to protect the laptop. Unfortunately, my case hasn't arrived yet, but I will be sure to link it down below. It is such a cute case, and I actually got it personalized, so I'm super excited. I cannot wait for it. The company actually has a bunch of different cases, and you can personalize them in different ways too, so definitely check it out. I feel like it's very good quality. Alright guys, so this was the end of my MacBook Pro unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other video requests that you would like me to do, please leave it in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss my weekly videos, and I will catch you guys next week.